Right. Today we're going to learn something called as a page breaks and section breaks. So using page breaks and section breaks, we can divide our documents into different sections. Right. First, what we'll see what is this thing called page break. Now to do this, what I do is I will add some text. So let's type RAND and put a brackets. Let's have some number like 100 here. So higher the number, you get a large number of text. So I want to have large number of text. That's why I'm doing this. Then I will press enter. So you get a large number of text. You can see several pages. You can see 8 pages. So you have lots of text like this, right? So let's say now after the first page, this page, after this first page, let's say the document you have chapters, right? From this place onwards, you're going to have new chapter. So new chapters always need to start in a new page, right? So what I need to do is I need to have page break here, right? So because next page should start with a new page, so I need to have page break. To have a page break, there are 2 ways you can do it. One is you need to go into layout tab, breaks, there is a page break is there, right? You can see this one, mark the point at the which the page ends and the next page begins. So using this one, I can add a page break. The shortcut is Control key and enter. You need to press and hold the control key and press enter. You can have page break. So I'll add a page break like this. I'll press and hold the control key, add enter. So it add a page break, right? But this page break is normally you're not going to see that one. So if you want to see, there's nothing is there indicating there's a page break. But you will notice, like let's say this is the place I'm going to have page break. So this one you're going to have new chapter or something. Let's do something different. So I'll highlight this area. So let's imagine you add more text. You need to type more text to your document, right? So you will add more text, but for your first paragraph, right? Still this thing, it's start in a new page. Let's add more text. So I'll just copy some text and paste it. Now you see still it start in a new page. So this is happening because there is a page break. But page breaks you can't see normally. Only you can see things like page breaks. If you go into Home tab and if you click on this note, this is this one, show and hide special formatting characters, right? So if you click over here, you can see there is a page break, right? So if you want to get rid of the page break, you can just select it and you can delete it. So the text will come to here. If you want a page break, what you do is you press Control and Enter. So it will put a page break. So this character reveal special formatting characters. Like let's say if you press enter several times, you see this musical note. If you press the tab key, you see this arrow. If you use the space bar, you see this dotted line. So all these are special formatting characters, right? So these page breaks are especially useful when you are separating your documents into paragraphs. Then there's another thing called section breaks. Like the page break, there's another thing called section breaks. Section breaks can be useful when you have different formatting properties in your 2 different sections of your document. One good example is the page numbering, right? You know, if you look at a book, normal book, you see page numbering initially until the content page, you're going to see Roman numbers, Then after the content page, you see the Arabic numbers, right? So Roman numbers and Arabic numbers, right? Now, if I want to put a page numbering into this document, what I do is I'll go into insert menu, and there's a page number, and you can select the where you want to have page number. So I want to have at the bottom of the page. That's the normal way. So this is the place I want. So it will put the page number like 3, 2, 1, something like that. But let's say first 3 pages I want to have this Roman numbers, right? First 3 pages I need to have Roman numbers. So now to do this, what I do is I'll put a section break, right? Section breaks also you'll find on the layout tab. If you go into the breaks, and you can see the section breaks. So usually we use this next page type of breaks. You click on that and it will put a next page break. You can see there's a section break now, right? Section break. So now you have 2 sections of your document, but still that you see numbering is the same. Now what you do is you go into your insert menu and select the page number, then select format page number, then you select, instead of normal Arabic numbers, you select Roman numbers and start with at 1, right? So anyway, start at 1 and you click OK, and you can see you have the Roman numbers 1, 2, and 3. But next page you see it start with a normal Arabic numbers. So but Arabic numbers I prefer to start with the number 1. So what I do is I'll go into the again on insert menu, page number, format page number, and select 1 to 3 is already selected, but I would start with number 1. Number 1 and click OK. Then it will start with the number 1 after that one. So this kind of a formatting you will see if you look at any large book. Until the content page you see normal numbers like Roman numbers. Then after that you see the Arabic number. So this is possible using a section break. So you can divide the documents into a different paragraphs using page breaks, right?